Hey guys, today we have a iced stamp tray here. As you can see, we can mark our ice cubes for any cocktails, drinks, or just having a party. This is perfect for if you want to have decorations on your cups, drinks. As you can see, they're indented. We just need to keep flipping them, and I do leave marks. As you can see, this is straight lines. We got wavy here. It's really stamping really well, and it just takes a few minutes on each side to be able to have this nice texture on the bottom. This one's hexagons. As you can see, it just did a couple minutes and it's becoming really nice to have. This one is a star one. As you can see, what comes with the set, it comes with the actual stamp tray right here to make the indents and a little tray so the water won't get everywhere. And once you're done, you could just put them in the water and ready to go for a special drink.